He wants to check these out. What kind are these? These are Campbell? All they do is beep, right?
There's the monkey guy.
All right, let's go. There he goes. He wants to cross LaGrange. We're crossing LaGrange. We're in Frankfort. To see the Campbell. That's all they do is beep? Wow. We're at LaGrange. Now he's going over there. I can't keep up. He's too fast. Welcome to Frankfurt. What's this? Buddy, don't touch that. Don't do that. So I guess, oh, there's the walking
guy.
All right, here we go. Walk slowly. Hold on. I know, you gotta bring your jacket. It's chilly. It's really chilly today in Frankfurt. These are just simple what? Simple
Campbell.
Campbell. Beautiful. All right. One more button and then we're done. One more set of buttons. Wow, we went around the whole thing pretty quick. It changed perfectly for us. Okay, we're gonna cross the street.